just walk away with it. What's up, everyone? Welcome and welcome back to Body by Trin. My name is Trin, and today we're going to be comparing the NutriBullet to my new Ninja Blast portable blender that I'm super excited to show you and super excited to try out. Today we're going to be making a strawberry banana protein shake, so definitely stick around if you're in for that. Now, for my NutriBullet, I always use this for my shakes, my smoothies, everything all the time. It's loud, it's clunky, and I love anything that is wireless. Okay, so we're going to open this up. I'm really hoping that this is amazing because I'm absolutely going to use it all the time. Comes in a little bag. I love the size of it already. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. That looks so cool. First off, first impression, absolutely love it. Okay, we're going to open this up and we're going to get the stuff out that's on the inside. Okay. Okay, so it does come with a little charger cord. Okay. Then we got some more stuff in here. Okay, this looks like it's just, this tells you what to kind of put in there and how to layer it, so that's pretty helpful as well. Look, it's a cardboard, and it has 6 blades on the inside, so this is so much more convenient and so much more portable than my NutriBullet, which is way bigger, not compact at all, and I mean, look at the difference. This is absolutely amazing, start off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to see how it works. We're going to test this bad boy out and hopefully we like it. So first I'm going to wash this out. Oh wait, hold on, let me see this. Oh, it does come undone. Yay, it does come undone if you need to. So that makes it easy for dishwashing, which is amazing. Here's the blades. So love that, love that, love that. And I don't even have to do anything. I can just mix it and drink it right where I am. So first off, I'm going to go wash this and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to start putting together our shake. So right here I have some frozen strawberries and a triple berry medley, which is blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. You can just get them. They're all in the same package. We're going to be using my favorite Garden of Life vanilla protein powder, some unsweetened almond milk, and this sweetener right here is what I'm going to be using. You can absolutely use your own sugar. I highly recommend the Lakanto monk fruit. It's the closest thing that tastes just like sugar. And if you want, I will also link this in the description down below as well. We're also going to be using our moringa powder, plant-based superfood. This is amazing, and you only need a teaspoon a day. This takes care of your protein, your iron, your fiber, and it's way better than kale. And I also have my banana here that we're going to be putting in just a minute. So let's go ahead and start putting it together. Okay, so we're going to start by putting in our berries. Make sure they don't fall out. Yes, we're going to get that all in there. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our banana. I'm only going to use half of a banana because I don't need the whole thing. So I'm just going to break this up just like that. Okay. Okay, then we're going to go in with our almond milk. This is half a cup. I'm going to put 1 cup in there. And of course you can use whatever kind of milk that you like. Okay, so we have our 1 cup of almond milk. Okay, then we're going to add our 1 scoop of our vanilla protein powder. It's and this is 20 grams of protein per scoop. I'm going to sit that in there, just like that. Okay, we're going to put in a teaspoon of our moringa powder. I already have some right here. So I'm going to just dump that in. And then last but not least, we're going to use our sweetener, and you only need a couple drops of this. That is what I love about the liquid sweetener. All right, let's see how it does. pop this on. Okay, and there's also directions on the side here that tell you what the lights mean so that you know when you're ready to blend. So let's see, are we ready? It's so much quieter than my NutriBullet. Oh, I love this. I love it. I love not being connected to a cord. Okay, so I'm gonna, I got some protein powder still right here on the side, so I'm just gonna knock it down some. Oh, it's just a little bit of powder. We're just gonna mix that down in there. Just a little bit got stuck to the side. Okay. I love this. Okay. It's done, so all I gotta do is just pop the top. I'm gonna try it. I just walk away with it. Highly, 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 highly recommend. I'm definitely linking this down below. And the best thing about it is that it is portable and it's so much more convenient than my NutriBullet. So I will definitely be keeping this with me wherever I go. If you enjoyed this video, please like it down below. Comment down below as well. I'll be happy to know your thoughts and anything that you want me to try, or any smoothie or protein drink that you want me to try and that you would like to see. And if you haven't already, go ahead and please subscribe now. I'll be happy to have you. And until then, I'll see you next time.